Hello everyone, I am Karthikeya Kashi, student of MSc Zoology in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University Mandi, and today we will discuss about parasite Clonochus sinensis of class Trematoda. The parasite was first discovered by McConnell in 1875 inside the autopsy of a Chinese carpenter. That's why it is also known as the Chinese liver fluke. The parasite is generally found in the Far East in countries like Japan, Korea, and south of China, South Vietnam, and northern Vietnam. As we go further, we can discuss about its disease, which is chlorhonchitis. The primary host is man, the secondary host is snail or the fish. We will discuss about its pathogenicity later. If we talk about the morphology of the parasite, adult worm, it is a narrow, oblongated, flat worm with a somehow pointed anterior. Its size varies greatly, measuring from 10 to 25 millimeter. As we can see in the diagram, a oral sucker is present near the mouth. A ventral sucker is also present. The rest of the reproductive system is same as all the trematodes. Excretory pore is present. For now, we will discuss about its life cycle. The life cycle is started when the primary host releases the eggs with the feces in the water. Then these eggs change into the first larval stage, which is called the miracidium. This miracidium stage in fact is the secondary host, which is snail. Inside the snail, the miracidium turns first into the sporocyst, then into the first generation radia. The first generation radia then changes into the second generation radia. This life cycle occurs in the snail. Then this second generation radia changes into the Cercaria. Cercaria is a free swimming larval stage, which is the fish. Mainly these fish are from the family Cyponidae. The Cercaria larva first will go into the flesh of the fish and got incested. When man consumes the infected fish, the encysted cercariae reaches into the gut of the man where they exist. Then they attach themselves to the mucosa in the region of the common bile duct, make their way through the ampulla of vertex and migrate into the distal. In the liver, they attain the maturity in about a month. They lay eggs which come out with the feces in the water and the life cycle continues. If we talk about its pathogenicity again, it causes the disease chlorhonchiasis. The man can be infected by the parasite if they eat the infected fish which is undercooked or raw or pickled. As it resides in the liver, it can cause serious liver damage which can lead to the jaundice or diarrhea. In the severe cases, it can greatly damage your liver. If the worm stays in the liver for a long time, it can also cause many immunological disorders and make the body weaker. If we talk about the treatment, albendazole is one of the drugs which can be used against the parasite. The preventive measures or prophylaxis contains the prevention of pollution of water with human, night soil and feces of reservoir host. The eradication of the secondary host, which is snail, is also a method, and one should always eat fish by cooking it properly. This was all about the parasite Clonochus sinensis. In the end, I would like to thank my professor Monica Panchani ma'am and my senior Rupali who made this chart. Thank you.